Welcome to Market Stars. If you trade gold and you want to know not just where the price may move, but when the real move is likely to happen, this video is extremely important for you. Today's planetary setup is one of the strongest trend activation structures we see in market astrology. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because I will be showing the most powerful time windows on the screen where gold is most likely to reverse, break out, and lock into a strong trend. This forecast is calculated from the reference point of 11 January 2026, 7 p.m. New York time. That is 12 January 2026, 12 midnight Coordinated Universal Time, and 12 January 2026, 5:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. All the time windows you hear in this video are based on this reference moment. Before we go deeper, just one important thing. This video is meant only for educational and research purposes. I do not give buy or sell recommendations. Financial markets involve risk, and every trader is responsible for their own decisions. Now let us understand what is happening in the sky today. Several powerful planets, including the Sun, Mars, Venus, and Pluto, are placed in Uttara, Ashada nakshatra. This nakshatra represents final victory, dominance, and trend control. Whenever gold comes under Uttara Ashada influence, the market does not stay sideways. It usually creates a false move first, and then it chooses one clear direction and starts moving strongly. That is why today the market will not move randomly. It will move in carefully designed stages. At the start of the day, from 7 p.m. to 1 a.m. New York time, which is 12 midnight to 6 a.m. Coordinated Universal Time, and 5:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time, the market enters a trap zone. In this period, gold may show false breakdowns, sudden spikes, and aggressive stop-loss hunting. This move is meant to confuse traders and push them to the wrong side. What happens here is not the real trend. After that, from 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. New York time, which is 6 a.m. to 12 noon Coordinated Universal Time, and 11:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, something important happens. The trap starts to dissolve. The fake move begins to reverse, and gold slowly starts revealing its true direction. Then comes the most powerful phase. From 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. New York time, which is 12 noon to 6 p.m. Coordinated Universal Time, and 5:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, the real trend begins to ignite. This is when gold usually starts moving strongly in one clear direction. This is the phase when professional and institutional money begins to flow into the market. As we move further, from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. New York time, which is 6 p.m. to 12 midnight Coordinated Universal Time, and 11:30 p.m. to 5:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time, the trend reaches full power. This is the strongest part of the day. The direction chosen earlier now gets confirmed and accelerated, and most of the day's real movement in gold happens during this window. After 7 p.m. New York time, which is 12 midnight Coordinated Universal Time, and 5:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time of the next day, the market slows down, but it does not reverse. It simply consolidates in the same direction and prepares for the next trading session. All of these time windows will be shown clearly on the screen, so you can compare them with your trading charts. Now that you have seen today's planetary timing windows, let me take a few minutes to explain how professional traders and serious analysts actually use this kind of astrological timing. This part is extremely important because most people misunderstand what forecasting really means. Most retail traders believe that success comes from predicting price. They want to know whether gold will go up or down. But that is not how markets really work. Markets move because of timing and participation, not because of opinion. Astrology does not try to guess price. Astrology tracks when participation changes. Every trading day, there are moments when a market is controlled by fear, confusion, and emotional traders. And there are moments when the market is controlled by institutions, banks, and algorithmic money. Those two phases behave very differently. The mistake most people make is that they trade during the wrong phase. In the trap phase, the market looks active, but it is actually deceptive. Price jumps, falls, and spikes, but it has no real intention. This is when most stop losses are taken, and when traders feel the most frustration. When you understand astrology, you stop fighting this phase. You stop trying to be clever. You simply step aside and wait for the phase to end. The real opportunity always comes after the trap. That is why in today's forecast, the early hours are not for aggressive trading. They are for observation. They are for letting the market reveal what it is trying to do. When the ignition phase begins, something changes. Suddenly, price starts to move more smoothly. Pullbacks become cleaner. Breakouts start to hold. This is not coincidence. This is because institutional money has started to participate. Astrology is powerful because it tracks these shifts in participation before they show up clearly on the chart. The moon, the nakshatra, and the rising sign together create what I call the market mood. When a market mood is weak, even good technical patterns fail. When a market mood is strong, even simple setups work. This is why timing is more important than price. If you enter a trade at the wrong time, even the best analysis will fail. If you enter at the right time, even an average setup can succeed. Now, let me explain something deeper about gold. Gold is not like stocks. Gold is not like cryptocurrencies. Gold is a planetary asset. Its historical behavior is deeply connected to the sun, the moon, and the lunar nodes. This is why astrology works so well on gold compared to many other markets. When the sun dominates, gold responds to power, confidence, and trend. When the moon dominates, gold responds to emotion, fear, and crowd behavior. When Rahu and Ketu dominate, gold responds to chaos, speculation, and sudden moves. In your daily forecasts, what we are really tracking is the balance between these forces. Today, the sun-ruled nakshatra of Uttarashada is dominating the sky. This means the market wants to prove something. It wants to establish a winner. That is why the market creates a trap first, and then a strong directional move. This is also why days like today often confuse traders. The first move looks real, but it is not. The real move comes later. When you combine this understanding with your charts, everything changes. You stop chasing candles. You stop panicking on spikes. You stop selling bottoms and buying tops. Instead, you start waiting for the phase that matches the planetary flow. This is exactly how professional traders think, even if they do not use astrology. They wait for liquidity to be taken. They wait for institutions to enter. They wait for structure to change. Astrology simply gives you the clock for when those things are more likely to happen. This is also why I say that gold market astrology is not about predicting the future. It is about aligning yourself with the market's natural rhythm. When you do that, trading becomes much calmer. You no longer feel like you are fighting the market. You feel like you are moving with it. That is the real secret behind long-term success. This is what I explain in detail in my book Gold Market Astrology, Volume 1. It teaches you how gold behaves across nakshatras, how lunar phases affect volatility, and how planetary cycles create expansion and contraction. And in Volume 2, which is coming soon, I'll go even deeper into intraday timing, trap detection, and reversal forecasting. That is where these daily timing windows become a full professional system. So when you see today's time windows on the screen, do not think of them as simple forecasts. Think of them as a map of when the market is honest and when it is deceptive. That understanding alone can save you years of frustration. Now, if you want to understand how these time windows are calculated, my book Gold Market Astrology Volume 1 is already available on Amazon. In Volume 1, I explain the astrological foundation of gold, how nakshatras influence price behavior, how the sun, moon, and lunar nodes drive market cycles, and how to read market structure using astrology. Volume 2, which is coming very soon, will go much deeper. It will cover intraday timing models, trap detection, reversal forecasting, advanced nakshatra price behavior, and professional-level market astrology techniques. Volume 1 gives you the foundation. Volume 2 will give you the precision. So if this kind of astrology-based market forecasting helps you, please subscribe to Market Stars, like this video, and share it with other gold traders. All links to my book and platforms are in the description. Watch the full video carefully, because today's timing windows truly matter. Thank you for watching Market Stars.